Okay, so I run this in the update mode, and here if you see there is some error. It says account for account determination 01001/001 for chart of account POCA is missing. Okay, this is the detailed error. Basically, it is saying that we have document splitting activated. What system is trying to find out one GL account with this combination, which it is not able to find out that GL account. So if you see, then we need to check the zero balance settings. In the zero balance setting, in the document splitting, this is the account key, right? If you see, no account has been entered for account determination key 001 for the chart of account POCA. Okay, so with this account key, if you go to accounts and give your chart of account, here we don't have the GL account, right? So first of all, basically system is trying to create a zero balance line item. So we need to create a GL account first of all for this company code. Say for example, I will create a zero balance clearing where we can create other provisions. So let us create here 2530. Okay, so 25300000. This is a balance sheet GL account 2530. Okay, I think this is not record open item managed. G001 and save this. This zero account we will keep it here. Save it. Now let us try this again. Go back, execute. Okay, now do we get the error? There's no error, right? So that means the document is posted, but system won't display it here. Let us go to FP03. This is company code IPWC, and today's document date we will give. Execute. Okay, no document is posted. Okay, so this document should be posted, maybe posted on last day of the month, right? Because we are running this for the first period of 2024 fiscal year. Okay, so let us check that one. Should be there. There should be one document. Yeah, document is posted on 3rd January. Is one posted. Oh, this is document date, right? Today's date, and this is the posting date with system takes automatically from your assessment cycle KSU5. Okay, so you can display this document. This is the one has been posted successfully. And this is the zero balance clearing system was trying to create this line item, but it didn't find the GL account maintained for the zero balance, and that's why we were getting the error. Okay, done.